got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back.
So Chinese New Year is coming very soon, which is the end of this month. So that means I am going to be going for a tour, like you know, a little touring. So I will be riding back to my dad's hometown, which is about 350 to 380 kilometers. That's one way. The entire trip I think is going to be at least 1,000 kilometers. Yes, so that will be back and forth and you know, all sorts of riding around town lah. So in this video, I'm going to show you my setup of my touring Duke 390, and let's go. So let's start out from the front and then we work our way back. Okay, so the first one is this tiny little windshield. This is actually not for wind protection, but it's like, you know, a decorative piece. It makes it looks nice. I like it. I like the way how it looks, but a small windshield is better than no windshield, right? So yes, I'm gonna just leave it onto that and ride with it. Number two is a phone holder. I chose quad lock is because it is just really good. It's very convenient lah. I just put my, you know, I just twist and lock it and that's it, right? If I want to release my phone, press it and then turn, get it out. Just as simple as that. Very straightforward. I really like this quad lock, and yeah, I'm gonna include it in my tour. So the third one, very important as well. Phone charger. You got a good phone holder but you got no phone charger. It is pretty much useless in my opinion for a touring ride, because if you're gonna use GPS or anything like Waze, Google Maps, your phone is gonna run out of juice and you will need this. This is super important. So yes, this will be, yeah, I'll be including this as well. And also it can charge my GoPro, which will be here, right? So yes, this brings us to number 3, GoPro. My GoPro will be mounted over here for some, you know, cool time lapse, because I hope I can capture some sunset or something like that, interesting weather, or you know, some interesting stuff that I can show you all. So this is 3 things at the front. The fourth thing is throttle assist. Okay, in total 1,000 kilometers is quite far for me, like quite a long distance. So I don't want to be holding the throttle at all times. So I'm just gonna, you know, I can just rest my palm. You see, I can just rest my palm and I'll be chilling at 110 kilometers per hour throughout the entire ride. Maybe like that lah, something like that. So number 5, I think, is crash bar. Okay, crash bar, for me, I'm scared as hell riding without a crash bar. So this is like the first thing that I installed it on my 390 Duke. So yes, I think this is the first thing. Yes, it is the first thing. Crash bar, very important. If I dropped it accidentally, this won't break. If this break, I am gonna have a hard time shifting gears. Or the other side, oh sorry, this is brake. if the other side of this break, yeah, I'm gonna have a nightmare shifting gears. Because KTM, you gotta shift a lot of gears throughout your rides, especially like, you know, short rides. But a highway ride, yeah, you can just leave it on 6th gear and just go with it. Number 6, auxiliary lights. So okay, some people don't like the look of it, you know, install it to a naked bike. But for me personally, I'm okay with the look of it, but mainly is the function of it. So I did not install it with an on-off switch. Instead, I connected it to the high beam. So whenever I go to high beam, it flashes as well. So let me show you. One moment. Okay, can you see that? So I can flash people. Yeah, flash. Woo! So this is like super useful when it's at night, and the light is bright as hell. It is really bright. I think people can see me from really far away. And if I don't want it to be yellow, I can just remove this cap and it's going to be white lights. But I prefer yellow so people know that it's a bike coming, or maybe like it's something different from white. So yeah, people know it's me. I'm there, I'm behind them, something like that, for safety reasons. So let's move our way back. Okay, exhaust. This may not be the best exhaust for a long trip, but I think it's fine. It's not crazy loud. It's loud, it's bassy, it's nice, but it's okay lah. So yes, number 8, I believe. Okay, I lost count. Please forgive me for that. So number 8 or whatever, I've got bungee cords over here. This one is a must-have for long rides. A bag. This is a Komine 40-liter bag that my cousin gave it to me like 3 years ago. So yes, this bag will be, I'll be putting clothes and everyday use stuff like clothes, toothbrush, towels, things like that lah. So that I don't need it to be easy access, right? So those stuff, essentials, daily essentials will be here. And then I've got toolkit underneath the seat, underneath the bag and below the seat I've got some toolkits. And then lastly, I've got this box, this GV box. I bought it since my Duke 200 time. I've been using it, but lately I haven't been using it because I don't need it that much lately. So yes, now I'm using it again. I've got like, what is this? What do you call this? Reflective sticker by 3M. Just I don't know why I stick this on, but yeah. So let me open it up for you. Key is here. This is, I think it's a 43 liter. Yeah, it's 43 liter. E43N something. Yeah, 43 liter box. So what I am going to put in this top case is, oh my goodness, this is so dirty. I haven't been using this. I need to clean this. Alright, I'm so sorry. So yes, my raincoat, like easy access stuff that I need to access it quickly. Raincoat, tire repair kit, and then some face mask. I'm gonna throw this away and replace it with new ones. A lock, and then what is this? Yeah. Oh, this is a lifesaver. Some 3M, is this 3M? Yeah, 3M earplugs. Long rides, you must have earplugs. If not, you're gonna come back home deaf. So yes, this is pretty much about it. So stuff that's behind, I'm gonna put like quick access stuff, like my wallet that I'm not gonna carry it around my waist during my ride. My wallet and all my waist bag mainly will be here, and my clothes, everything will be here. Oh yeah, I missed out one thing. I will include my chain loop here as well. So yes, that's pretty much about it. My touring setup. So let's see if I can survive this 1,000 kilometers ride or not. I will be back if I survive. No, I will survive lah. I hope I will survive. Okay, so I will see you all in the next video. The next video is probably me going for a touring. Okay, I'm gonna show you, can I tour with this bike? Is the 390 Duke tourable? Yeah. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to this video. Let me know what do you think, if this is a good idea or not. And I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye. Ciao.